Hello, welcome to Car Pinball. If you like pinball and restoration projects, this is the place for you. So hit that like and subscribe button down below. In this episode, we're gonna fix the playfield. So I start by disassembling all the plastic and posts from the playfield. Then Sophia is gonna do a touch-up. So sit tight, hold on and enjoy the ride. Sometimes when you remove plastics and post, it loses in the wrong end. Then you're gonna need an open wrench to sneak under the plastic to get it apart. Remember to take pictures on the playfield so you know where everything belongs when you're gonna put it back. You can't take too many photos and take it from angles you don't think you need because you're gonna need it sometimes. These EM pinballs are pretty easy playfield to disassemble. It's not too many parts, but keep in mind on post they can have different heights and the screws can have extenders that go through the plastics and some are underneath the plastics. So that is something to pay attention to. I also take pictures when I have removed the plastics so I know how the rubbers should sit on the posts. Now it's time to wax the playfield. So how should I do it?
Wax on.
Wax on?
Like that and like the sucker.
But I rather use the machine. It's so much easier. Sorry Mr. Miyagi, but this is the way I do it. So the playfield is now clean and waxed. It looks pretty good. So it's time for Sophia to do her job on the playfield. And we're gonna do a touch-up on the inserts. This requires a steady hand and patience and an artistic vein. It's these small things that brings this pinball to look really good. All the small steps together make a good result. I also cleaned the drop targets and Sophia painted some new red rings on them and they look beautiful again. So now it's time to put some new rubbers on the playfield and assemble the whole playfield together. Oh my god, this playfield is starting to look really good now. Here's some before pictures. And the previous owner drilled some holes on the outlane to make the game easier. So we had to fix those too, as you can see here before and after picture. And the same thing on the left side. Big improvement. Alright, so now it's time to get this Bally Knight Rider on his leg. So I did powder coat these legs with some gunmetal powder coating. It's pretty close to the original paint, so hey, they look amazing. Well, this turned out to be a really good looking Bally Knight Rider. I'm a really proud owner of this machine, and I think I preserved the original age feeling of this restoration project. It's not perfect, but it's better, and better is good enough. Thank you for watching Carl Pinball. If you like this video, please press that like and subscribe button down below. See you next time. Ciao!